This is the beginning of a very long day. Pull back at some point, so that's definitely possible, right? You can see it just like fully filled right here. This is what I was just at just now, 288. So far we're up 300 for the day. I promise you, this phone right here is gonna make me $100 million fucking dollars. Gotta make it back. That's the mindset you gotta have. Any money that goes out has to come in times 3, times 4. Risk to reward isn't just a trading term. You gotta use that same thing in life. All right, welcome back. We about to be back with another video, back to the regular scheduled program after being in Philly. Now we back in Florida, and we about to be at this hotel. We're about to get started with the VIP Trading Network session. It's 9:24, but it was NFP today. And if you don't know what NFP is, it's non-farm payroll. So at 8:30 in the morning, there was news, and we had a whole lot of volume. So there might not even be volume at 9:30, there might not even be volume at 10 o'clock. It may be type of day where we had a move at 8:30, and then we have a move later on in the afternoon. But we're gonna see. At the end of the day, we're about to be there in like 8 minutes, so we're gonna set it all up, talk with the team, see if they're caught any trades, see if they're gonna catch anything, and give value, and just give them what they came for. So I'll see you when we get to the hotel. Let's get to work. This is the beginning of a very long day. Everybody got a camera nowadays. They notice me because of my car. Come on now, here. Y'all wanna come steal my car? Come on, I dare. Here we getting the call all set up, you know what I'm saying? They all getting active, they getting active. We gotta be on the roof and shit. Spot for the day. We're gonna see what we could do. It's NFP, I ain't really forcing shit today. Fucking up here. Fuck all news. All right, we about to be active right now. Nah, this is what happens when you're at all-time highs. Like, there's no reason for it to keep always pushing all-time highs. Like, it could definitely have a pullback at some point, so that's definitely possible right now. Definitely what I'm thinking right now with NAS, especially with the way it had that 8:30 move, and right now we're having a retracement at 9:30. Nah, not on the 1 hour though. It came close on this one, but I'm saying like on the same chart. Like if you look at NAS here, this 1 hour gap, the price came close to at 9:30. If we go to it on 30, we can see it just like fully filled right here. NAS came close, but fully. Yeah, this is my idea right now for, what is this, 30? I want to see it hold this 1 hour gap and start to fall lower. That's my idea right now. No cap. Yeah, pull up on the camera so I can show you a little bit. I don't know, maybe pose a little bit. I don't know, show water, I don't know, smile. I don't know, pop your hand. I don't know, bro. All right, so I just wanted to show y'all, I'm in the trade as I showed y'all a couple of seconds ago. I'm using the Hanko Trader account. I'm not trading the funded account today. And to be honest, you guys may be wondering, why haven't I been trading the Hanko Trader account? For one, their platform is getting a lot of updates and stuff. So there's gonna be a whole lot of new bug fixes. There's gonna be a whole lot of new things that are gonna make my trading on the platform a whole lot easier, because I'm used to trading on TradingView. And Hanko Trading is his own platform. And even though I'm willing to use it, there is little bugs and everything, but it is getting fixed. So that's why I'm getting back used to it, and we are getting active. And another thing, the second main reason why I don't trade as much is because, one, it's live money. It's not a funded account. It's not a demo account. It's real money. I don't need to take a trade on every day. I don't need to take a big trade on every day. All I need is 1 or 2 trades a week to make $400 or $500 extra on top of what I make from all my other businesses, on top of what I make from my main trading account. Less is more, and you guys gotta understand that. My trading account is still there. I'm up $400 on this account right now. I could have easily been lost all this money if I would have been taking trades every single day, risking a whole lot, over-risking, over-trading, doing all these things. Less is more. I want to be able to trade next week. I want to be able to trade tomorrow. I want to be able to trade in a month. And the only way I'm going to be able to do that is by maintaining my account, playing defense. You know what I mean? That's what it is. And right now we're up about 500. Look at this. Now you took this one? Nah, yeah, good shit, bro. I would say, yeah, dude, I was about to tell you right there, at this high, you might as well. It's a great way to close out. Well, if anyone took the trade idea, that's what's up. That's what's up, though. All right, so that was a trade, $500 on the Hanko Trade account, no trades on the funded. We're about to go get food, close this laptop, and then go to the beach. So yeah, let's do that. This reminds me of like Miami water, or like how green it is. But look, this is the hotel. Look, I need that. Need that right there. Fast boys. Mercedes? What's up?
You leaving? There you go.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna see y'all soon. I'm gonna be back.
Excuse me, boss. Sounds good. Are you guys coming back?
Oh yeah. For what the resort?
I remember you guys from like a week.
Not yet. Probably not. It wasn't that long ago. That was the first time I came here, and it was nice. I was like, yeah, no one really be here in the morning, so it's nice. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be back.
Are you guys coming back later today or?
Nah, not today. We're gonna be gone for today. I'm gonna stay another day though.
All right, sounds good.
Y'all will see me eventually.
Yeah, absolutely. Take care, guys.
Y'all have a good one. Oh yeah. Oh, you still recording? How y'all doing? All right, we about to head back to the crib. It's approximately 2:45, and so far, we chilling for the day. We got about an hour drive. So far for the day, I'm up about 600. If we count like VIP sales and everything for the day, I last looked at VIP sales, it was about 188. If I refresh it, it might be 188 still. It might not. It might be more. It might be less. We're at 188 still. So 188 plus the 500 from the trade, that's almost 700, and the day's not over yet. Now we got about an hour drive to get back to the crib. Then gym, edit videos, create reels. Same thing every day, just back to the scheduled program. We're back in the crib right now. So on the way home, had a nice little drive, already took a shower and everything, feeling nice and fresh. But the main thing that me and my girlfriend were just talking about in the car is we kind of want new phones. And me, specifically, I want a new phone because, one, I need more room. My phone storage is running out every single week. My phone is overheating every single week. And I use my phone for everything, both trading, content creation, talking to everybody, active with the VIP, active with just any social media in general, replying to comments on YouTube, recording, being active with anything when it comes to online. 90% of the time is either on my laptop or my phone. And my laptop's cool, but my phone be fucking up. So right now I'm trying to see if we can get some new phones. We're about to go to T-Mobile, see if we can get some new phones without getting taxed, because we're not trying to spend all this money just for two phones, because we don't need the phones. We want them. That's the main thing, but that's going to be the plan right now. I think, let me show you guys. Last time I showed you for VIP sales, we were at about 180. We're up about $100. See, look at this, bro. Look. This is why I need a new phone, bro. The proof is right there. But let me go to VIP. This is what I was just at just now, 288. So far we're up 300 for the day. Almost 300 for the day. I'm gonna refresh. If it can load. Yeah, we're still up 288. Not bad, not bad. So we're up about almost $800 for the day, bro. Crazy. This is why I gotta go get a new phone. Gotta put the money back into the craft. Everything I make goes into either bills or inside of what I do. Both traveling, camera equipment. This camera that I'm recording on isn't cheap. This microphone isn't cheap. This room, this light, none of this is cheap. This setup, my laptop, is not cheap. Going to different locations every day to give you guys entertainment and views isn't cheap. All my money goes back into the business 99% of the time. And then everything else just gets saved up, stacked up to then do what? Get reinvested back into the business anyway. It's all rinse and repeat at the end of the day. Until we get that $100 million, $500 million, there's no point of getting comfortable. But with that being said, let's go to T-Mobile. All right, we just got back and look at this. Look at this, my boy. Two phones, me and my girl both got iPhone 15 Pro Maxes. I got the black on black, and she got the silver. Right now, I'm just waiting for the phone to actually just get all like everything updated on it. Right now, you can see it's gonna be transferring for a while, but new phone, I promise you, this phone right here is gonna make me $100 million fucking dollars. My other phone, the phone that I have in my pocket right here, this phone right here made me easily over $100,000, probably over $150,000. Just this phone. This one, this is the phone that's gonna make me my first million. I promise you that. But now, time to get back to the crib, to get back to work. We gotta make back the money that we spent. Even though we only spent money we made today, You gotta make it back. That's the mindset you gotta have. Any money that goes out has to come in times 3, times 4. Risk to reward isn't just a trading term. You gotta use that same thing in life. It's risk management, money management. That's how you remain successful and become successful. Good money management and make it more than you spend. And we're back. And now that I got the new phone, it's just back to work. Simple as that. Right now I'm about to finish editing this video. I'm not gonna be able to hit the gym in this video, but I'm gonna be hitting the gym after this video. The video is gonna be uploaded by like 9:30, 10 o'clock. Just know while the video is uploaded, if you're commenting right now, I'm at the gym responding to you. Just know that. If you're watching it as it's been released, which I hope you have. But at the end of the day, today was a good day. If I go to how much I made when it comes to VIP, look at that. Someone just got the free course. If you haven't got the free course, make sure you get the free course. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how I make money, how I can afford a phone like this, how I can afford an apartment like this, how it's all right here. If you really look behind me, there's a like plan behind it, but it's trading, just like that. If you want to learn how I trade, my system, my strategy, completely free. Check out the free trading course. Check out the free webinars, completely free. Go check it out. Free. I'm gonna keep saying it because it's free. There's no reason why you don't check it out. But like I was saying, if I go to how much I made today when it comes to VIP sales, let me load it all up. I'll let it load it for you. We're at 3:13 right now, and you can see what time it is. Wrong side. It is 8:33. It says SOS. Now that I realize it, probably gotta fix that. New phone problems. I'll deal with it. Almost just dropped it. Matter of fact, this is my old phone. This isn't even my new phone. That makes more sense. That makes a lot more sense. But 3:13 for the day. And for the trading day, you saw there was 519, 509, I think it was. Whichever one it was, I'm about to do a withdrawal. I'm not gonna show you guys that, but I will show you the emails and everything in the morning. So you will see the approval. You'll see how much you got. You'll see leave the account. And you'll see just all of that good stuff, hopefully. I'm not sure how it's gonna work with the weekend, but we'll see. But with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. All I did today was work, do what I do every single day, create value, create content, trade, change lives. I do it every single day and I record the process, document it every single day. Appreciate you guys. We have a lot more videos coming this week. If you're not in VIP, make sure you tap into VIP. We have a lot of sessions coming this weekend. Gonna be talking about mindset, money, trading, all the above. People are in VIP. Let everyone know in the comments what we get into. Let everyone know in the comments the work that we've been getting into. People that have been getting funded, the money we've been making. We're changing lives. And at the end of the day, stay safe, stay productive. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Let's keep giving value. Let's keep changing lives. Let's keep creating content. Let's keep trading to the best of our ability and trying to be the best version of ourselves possible. And then our dreams, they're right there.